Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so get your pencil and jotter at the ready. Our sound that we are focusing on this week is O. Who can tell Miss Brown what 2 letters make up this sound? Shout it out. That's right. O and A. A goat in a boat. Miss Brown has got a sentence with one of our O words. Are you listening carefully? Okay. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Can you say that? Superb. Let's say it in a whisper voice. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Your turn. Superb. Let's say it really quickly. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Your turn. Good job. Let's see how many words are in this sentence. The goat is brown with sharp horns. 7 words, 1 sentence. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Now I want you to remember your capital letter at the start of your sentence, your finger spaces, and your full stop at the end. Can you write that down on your own? The goat is brown with sharp horns. On we go. Write it down. Okay, boys and girls, pause this video until you finish off your sentence because we're going to go and check it just now. Right, our first word in the sentence is the. The. Red tricky word. T. H. A. The. Goat. Goat. How many thread fingers does this word have? G. O. T. Goat. Remember your finger space. G. O. Underline that special friend. And our last sound. T. The goat is brown. Brown. We should know that because we did that sound a couple of weeks ago. Ow. What makes up the ow sound again? That's right. O and W. And an N on the end. The goat is brown with. Sharp. Sharp. 2 special friends in this word. Sh, S, and H. R. Set 2 sound that we should know. R. Start the car. Do you remember what 2 letters make up that sound? A and R. Sharp. Well done. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Horns. H. Or. Shut the door. Set 2 sound again. Do you remember what makes up this sound? O and R. H or N. S. And what do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Good job. Right, let's check to see if we've got everything we need in our sentence. Do we have a capital letter at the start? We have got a full stop. And have you spelt the word goat correctly? Give it a tick if you have. Let's check our sentence. The goat is brown with sharp horns. Super duper spelling, boys and girls, and writing our sentence independently too. You can go on to do more words in a sentence if you'd like to. Remember to take a photograph of all your finished work as well. Well done, boys and girls, and I'll see you next week for more Read Write Ink videos. Bye!